Earlier this year, we noticed some links on Kuma Too's anchor chain starting to show significant wear. So we're in the anchor locker, and here's the links we have concerns about. That should not be that narrow, it should be that thick. You can see right there how much it's worn.
We're flipping our chain around because this side spends most of the time in the water, and some of the links have actually become a little worn. So what we're going to do is we're going to flip it around and buy us a little bit more time until we can actually get the chain replaced, because only about 100 feet at the most lives inside the water. So we're going to flip it around and use the other side of the chain for another little bit until we can get some new anchor chain. At the end of the chain we attached a line which has about I don't know, 25 feet or so worth of line that we're going to run to the inside of the chain locker that's attached to the bulkhead in case we foul the anchor somehow, or for some reason we need to dump a lot of chain and cut away. You run all this out, you attach a fender or something like this so you can go back and find it later, and you cut this line away, and then we rely on our secondary anchor to get us where we need to go. So it's just a little bit of a fail-safe that we put in.
We purchased 200 feet of 3/8 galvanized chain from West Marine, and getting the 300 pounds of chain onto Kuma Too was a feat in itself. Back at the marina, it took 3 guys and myself with a dolly to get the barrel down to the dock.
So what we have to do is get the old chain out first. So we got the dinghy tied in between the hulls. We're gonna release the anchor down. I'll take the end off, we'll feed the chain back and forth in here, separate it from the bulkhead, and get this on deck, and then we'll bring on our new chain and do everything in reverse. Tie the chain in, get it up through the windlass, and then I'll fix the anchor at the end of it. Hopefully it'll be that easy. Keep going. Nice and slow. When I say stop.
Okay. Old chain. You can see when we flipped it, 100 feet of bad chain, 100 feet of good chain still. And new chain. Alright, so our anchor chain is going to be 15 feet, 30 feet, and 180 feet. So this will be our last mark at 180 feet. Alright. Got our marks we're making. New chain. All sorted and counted and marked. A few hours later, we were ready to load the new chain. This was the easiest part of the whole job. After resecuring the line to the bulkhead again, we ran the 200 feet of chain through the windlass into the chain locker. Joe reconnected Kuma's 88-pound Rockna anchor, and once again, we now have peace of mind while Kuma Too sits on anchor. Alright, you ready?
Yeah, good.